Good morning, students. Today I would like to explaining about the calling technique, where we are using in the nowadays we are making the calling to calling to one person to another persons. We are making a calls. Okay, how the internal process it is going on. Now we are discussing about. I am discussing about this one. The calling it consisting of various types of calls is handled by the GSM network, global system mobile communication networks are various calls it is handled. Those are two types of calls it is handling: mobile originated call MOC, and another one call it is the mobile terminal call. Here there are different methods and protocols we are using in the uh, to making the calls. Okay, it is different methods and protocols are used for establishing the connection and also maintaining the communication in calling also to and from mobile devices in a GSM network. Okay, here the if it is establishing a connection and maintain a communication also it is required if you are making any calls also. So it is there are different methods and protocols here we are using. So that purpose we are used for establishing the connection and also okay, and maintaining the communication in calling also to and also from the mobile devices in a GSM network. Here the many number of types also there in GSM network for making a calls. Those are the MOC, mobile originated call. Yeah, what is the main aim for this one? We are learning here. What is the aim? Now I am explaining. It mainly it involves the authentication purpose and ciphering purpose. Once the connection is established between the source to the destination person, the call it is set up the procedures will take place according to the sequence show in the next slide. Okay, what it happens I'm showing here. If the connection is established between the mobile station to the network, how the connection is established, with the help of which one it is performing in the key elements in the figure shows the which key element it is playing which vital role it is playing, right? The mobile station it is establishing the signal connection to the base station, base switching services on a radio channel, and initially user enters the called number and press the key. What happens? Okay, what it happens if the 10 digits of mobile number if you are pressing and send the key, then what it happens in innerly. Okay, if a dial number indicated the services request to the mobile switching center via the BSS. Okay, the MSC mobile switching center is checks the it is from the visitor location register, or if the mobile station is allowed the requested services. So it is first the it is VLR or HLR. First it is identifying the identify MSC is checks. Okay, if the mobile switching center asks the BSS to allocate the necessary resource for the call, then only the call it is allowed. Okay, the after that the mobile switching center routes the call to the GMSC. Okay, GMSC it is the gateway mobile switching center. If it is the gateway, it is allows the protocols to routes the protocol. It is establishing with the help of the protocols. It is established the connection. After the routes, it is established the call to the local exchanging of called user via public switched telephone network. This is the PSTN. When the routes is established with the help of the GMSC, the local exchange of called user via the PSTN. Okay, the PSTN alert is called it as a applied. It is ringing. If you are when you are making the calls also with the help of the PSTN only, we are getting the ringing sound we are getting at the terminal side. Answer back ring back tone from the called terminal to PSTN, and also answer back signal routed to back to the mobile station through serving mobile switching center, which also completes the speech path to the mobile station. Okay, another one it is the and GSM services providing the one more calling services, it is the mobile terminal call services it is providing. Okay, with the help of the PSTN we are getting the ringtone sound from who are making the calls, also they are getting the ringtone sound they are. The sequence of the shown here also, it is the next slide, it is related to the call originating in the PSTN and terminating at a MSA in a GSM network. How to we are terminating from the mobile station also in GSM network, we are identifying the PSTN user dials the MS ISDN of the called user GSM. Here it is the what it happens in the previous picture, it is only with the help of the mobile stations and the mobile switching center and visitor location register, and also it is moves to the gateway mobile switching center, and also with the help of PSTN we are making a calls. Okay, in the mobile terminal call what it happens. Okay, the HLR home location register requests the current serving visitor location register for the called MS mobile station for a mobile station roaming number, then so that the call can be routed to the correct mobile switching center. Okay, so the VLR it is passes to the MSRN to the HLR. The HLR it is passes to the MSLR, MSRN. It is directed to the one step. It is directed to the from where it is starts the calling station. The second one it is GMSC. The third one HLR. The fourth one VLR. Fifth one again it is returned to the home HLR. Again it is returned to the GMSC, and also again it is returned to the MSC, and also again it is finding the visitor location, again it is written to the MSC, again it is written to the visitor location register. Okay, visitor location register it is replied to the MSC it is giving the reply to the base station service center, and base station service centers it is finding the where it can be the accepting the base station service center. Again the reply it is passed to the mobile station it is giving reply to the base station service. Again the finding the authentication by the mobile switching center. Later it is giving uh, the information it is a visitor location register. After the finding identifying the visitor location register, again it is the information it is finally it is given to the mobile switching center. The using the MSRN and GMSC routed the call to the servicing to the MSC. The MSC it is interrogates the VLR for the current location area or not, current location area identity or not, that is LAI for the MS. VLR it is provides the current location identity for mobile station. And here the continuation of this one, here the MSC pages the mobile station via the appropriate BSS. The MS mobile station responds the page setup necessarily signaling links, and the base station services has establishing the necessary radio links. The mobile station switching center is informed and the call delivered to the mobile station. The mobile station answered the call, the connection is completed to the calling PSTN number. This is the procedure. It is the mobile terminated call and mobile originated call, and one more one GSM services it is the mobile terminated call. Here it is the main one here in the picture it is shows the BTS, it is the base transceiver station. It is mainly important for establishing the connection between the user and the network. And the mobile station to base transceiver station, the mobile terminal call, how it how which process is going on. If you are sending any request to BTS base transfer station, the paging it will be request the channel it is providing the mobile station again reply to channel request, again it is assigned to the immediate request, again the mobile station also it is giving the paging response, again the authentication request from the both two parties, and ciphering command also it can be requested by the BTS, and also ciphering command it can be accepted by the mobile station, and setup the connection is established, and call is confirmed by the mobile station, and assign the command assignment it is completed by the mobile station also giving the alerting and connect to later the base transfer station. If the connection is established between the user and the network, the connection it is acknowledged, and the mobile station is both two mobile station and base transceiver station with both two parties, with the help of this one data and speech can be exchanging. In the mock side, mobile originated call said, if the mobile station channel it is requesting, immediately it is assignment it is requested to the base transceiver station, again service it is request, authentication is accepted by the BTS, again authentication it acts response to the mobile station, again the command it is requested and command is completed by the both two parties, the mobile station is set up the connection here. But in this one, the previous one, BTS is established the connection. BTS it is call is confirmed, but the previous one, mobile station is call is confirmed. Again, the BTS it is command is assigned the command and complete the command. And next one, alerting the command by the BTS, and connecting the command by the BTS, and the connecting the acknowledgement by the mobile station. Both two parties are playing a vital role between the connection established by the mobile station and the base station. Both two parties data and speech can be exchanged. Thank you for listening this topic calling.